Okay, so I'm going to do a quick video and show you guys how I do my gold on my images. First I'm going to show you, oh, I got the wrong color, the colors that I'm using. These are the colors that I'm using, and these are my Castle Art pencils, and I'm only using 4 colors on this one. I used when I was using my Prismacolors, I had like 6-7 colors on that one. So this is the first time me using my Castle Art pencils and my Kobe Rosanna's books. I love these pencils, but I don't like the way they work in this book, you know, because of the paper. I got the wrong color. I use this color as my base color. So I put all the base color down with that. And then we're going to use the next color again, which is 09009. And basically, Kirby, he gives you an idea where the shadows and shading should be. So I'm going to start with this next color. And I'm going to start from this side. I'm pressing kind of hard, but not really hard. And that's the thing about with these pencils in this particular book. You have to put more pressure. Now I use these the first time in my Hannah Lynn coloring book, Enchanted Faces, and I didn't have to press that hard. They really done really good. So I'm just going to do this section for you guys, and I'm going to show you how I highlight that to get the gold effect, get the look, it's shiny. So then I'm going to the next color, which is 012, and next I'm going to just come out a little bit, and I'm not pressing it hard when I'm coming out towards the middle. Nope, I'm pressing hard there, but when I get closer, not pressing, not giving too much pressure. Now, some of my works, when I'm coloring, I do layers. I guess that's what I'm in the mood for, you know. And it's not something I decide. It's just something I just automatically do, whether I'm doing layers or not. Okay, that. And then the last color, which is 068. And then I'm just going to come out a little bit. I'm just going to go around this leaf. Just get close to. And that is pretty much it. So it's not that hard to really do gold. I think it's just a matter of picking the right colors. Because, I mean, if you can color a flower and with different colors, then you can do gold. And also, I guess it also depends where you put your shading. Now, there are other coloring videos how to do this, and all you have to do is just watch those videos. But that is how you do gold. And now I'm going to go back with the base color and kind of blend it in. But I still want the light in the middle. Now I'll go back in and I will do some detail work all in here later. But I'm just doing this part now. I'm just blending this out. And there it is. And that's how I do my gold shading, my gold coloring. Hope that helps anybody.